So this is the first video of my moving vlogs. Basically, I'm going to be moving out by myself. I'm going to be staying at a place by myself. I'm going to take you guys along with me, my journey of like packing, unpacking, moving and everything. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I feel like I've always wanted to move out. Right now, my living situation is that I'm living with my brother. I'm really grateful that I have a lot of options for a place for me to stay. But then right now, I've just opted to stay by myself. And I'm going to be moving out in a few days. So I need to like pack everything, organize everything. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm going to take along with me when I'm moving. So this is how this room is looking like where I'm staying. Basically, I'm going to be taking everything that's in here, including the bed, this table, the TV, everything. Literally, this room is going to be empty. I'm also moving with this fridge, which I had when I was in school, and I had to basically ship it back to Malawi. Yeah, that's basically what I'm going to take along with me, as well as other things that are coming. Some things are mine, like I've always had them, like the bed, table, and the desk and everything. And then the fridge, I purchased it at the beginning of this year. I've always kind of like wanted to move out, so I bought things little by little. As well as I'm going to have like a table and chairs that my brother is like letting me borrow for now. So I'm really grateful for that. And as well, he's gonna come here and drop off some things, like a few things for the kitchen and stuff like that I can have and I can use. Also, if you're new here, my name is Alinafe. I live in Malawi. And if you want to stick around for the other moving vlogs, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. This is actually making me get a lot of things done. I was packing my shoes and my bags. Now I have like all this skincare, like hair care, makeup, everything that I need to pack up. So I have a couple of empty boxes. So I think I can use these to pack up all this stuff. Hey guys, don't mind me, I look very bad right now because I just spent the last 2 hours cleaning my new place and I have a little apartment here for you guys. Oh, so this is like a guest wing, but I'm just using the word apartment, but yeah, it's like a guest wing. So when you walk in, the first thing you see is the kitchen. Very simple, very nice. I'm really excited to have all this storage to myself. And then when you leave the kitchen, there is like a little hallway, and then here's the bathroom. It's a very simple bathroom. When you leave the bathroom, you go through the hallway, and then this is the bedroom. Yeah, so that's the whole tour. Honestly, it's small, but I'm really excited to move here and to live here. Okay, so I'm gonna go bring in some of the things that I brought with me, but I'm actually moving tomorrow, so that's when like furniture and everything's gonna come. and right now I'm just gonna rest, and I bought food. I'm gonna be unpacking and everything tomorrow. Today I just wanna sleep, watch TV and just rest. If you wanna stay tuned for more moving vlogs, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.